How to turn off read receipts on iPhone for one person. So go to Messages and click on the specific person where you want to turn off your read receipts. After going into your conversation, click on that contact's picture on the top part of the screen. In here, you will see the option to call them, video call, as well as their information, their location, and if you scroll down, you will see here the option to send read receipts. Turn off this toggle. Now the person you turned off will not be able to see when you have read their messages. However, keep in mind that this setting only applies to this particular individual, and all the other conversations you have with other people will still have the receipts turned on. Aside from this, you can also have the option to control the alerts. Turn this on if you don't want to receive notifications from this person. And also, you have the choice to turn this focus status. So that is how to turn off read receipts on iPhone for one person. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.